Oh, it's hot. It was spicy to her. Lapa? No. Why? What did you eat? Jalan, jalan. Jesse. Hi semua, saya Jesse. Apa kabar? I just got off work on my way to have dinner. It's been a long time to get outside with my camera alone. It's not easy to bring camera, talk to my camera, walk down the city. I'm very hungry. I don't have any plan. Let's go to Bangsa South and eat something there. Thank God, not that crowded. I just arrived at University station in front of KL Gateway. Right there. There is one of my favorite spots for Jalan Kari Makan. Today I have no plan. I'm just hungry, so let's go and let's see what I can eat. Jom makan. Jom. Nice. Let's check it out first, because there are so many options, so I don't want to make a decision too early. Looks good. Look at that. There's another area. Oh, this is so big. Hello? Ayam goreng? So big. So big, besar. Terima kasih. I'll look around first. Terima kasih. Oh, the smell is. Kakak, ini apa? Kerupuk ikan. Berapa? ringgit. And this is nasi goreng. Oh, chicken. Kakak, makan boleh? Makan boleh? Boleh? Oh, it smells so good. I guess this is takoyaki. Kerupuk leko. Hello, Patrick. Kerupuk leko. Nampak sedap. Smells good. Berapa? 2 ringgit 4 piece. Let's see first. Thank you. Terima kasih. Ramly burger. I wanna eat chakotiao. I wanna eat nasi goreng. Smell, nasi goreng here. So good. Let's check the menu. 4 ringgit, right? 4 ringgit. Okay, thank you. 1 nasi goreng and 1 kerupuk ikan with 10 ringgit. Nasi goreng Pattaya, nasi goreng kampung, nasi goreng tom yum, nasi goreng kerabu, ikan mas. Okay. 1 nasi goreng Pattaya. And 1 this one. So 6 plus 4, 10 ringgit. Okay. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Abang, nasi goreng Pattaya? Ooh. Can I shoot video? Kampung, nasi goreng kampung. Sedap? Sedap. Oh, spicy. Saya suka pedas. Oh, 매운데? I wanna try nasi goreng kampung. Can I change? boleh. Thank you. Because it smells so good. Yeah. This is yours. Oh, apa nama awak? Pasha. Saya Jesse. Wow. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Jalan. Jessie. 안녕. Where's your mom? Mommy. Say hi. What's your name? Apa nama awak? Hah? Abiya. Oh, it's hot. It was spicy to her. Oh, good up. Oh, good. Yeah. Sedap. So good. How old are you? Oh, yeah. What's her name? Naura. What's her name? Naurin. N-O-U-R. Naurin, Naura. Naura. Tengoni. Tengoni. Be careful, okay? Hello. Apa nama awak? Mama Imekram. Lapa? No. Why? What did you eat? Your car? You drive a car? Jalan. This is abang. Okay? Good. Okay? Nice, putih. Okay? Nah. Wait. Sedap. It's okay. Abang will say jumpa lagi, okay? And you guys say jumpa lagi together. Boleh. Nah. Guys, I had nasi goreng kampung, kerupuk ikan. It was so good, and I met strangers. These friends are very friendly and funny. And next time, let's see you again, okay? Maybe if we are lucky, we can meet these guys again. So, hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And let's see you in the next video. Jumpa lagi! Baby, together! Jumpa lagi! 1, 2, 3, jumpa lagi! Yeah! Thank you.